Praise God. Yeah. Yeah.
So I'd like to say a pleasant good afternoon to on the altar. All right. I want to say a pleasant good afternoon to all the. I hope I get all the protocol
Praise
right.
God. Praise God.
Forgive me, right?
Praise God.
Okay, so I want to say a very special good afternoon to everyone here. I want to say a special good afternoon to all my bishops, my abbesses,
Praise God.
you know, my ranas and my ArchAbbess. All right. So all my spiritual brothers and sisters in the Lord. All right. Pleasant
Yes,
good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Praise God.
Pleasant afternoon again.
God bless you. God
Welcome.
bless you. God bless you.
Welcome to Gabriel Restoration Chapel.
Praise God.
You know, it's always good to be in the house of the Lord.
Amen.
And it's always extra good to be in the house of Gabriel Restoration.
Praise God. Praise God. Praise God.
So, I heard the lessons that we have here today, and I remember the theme. The theme is, you know,
Staying on the
right track. Alright? And the lesson that we have today is on Esther.
Amen.
Alright? But before we go to Esther, you know, the first lesson would have spoken to, you know, the 24th. You know, and that's a psalm that, you know, a number of persons, you know, would. Right.
What did you do the first one?
Oh, yeah.
133.
130. Alright, fine. Sorry. Alright, then let's go to Esther and I'll tackle the 133.
Yeah.
Good. So, yeah, forget my was a little bit.
Take your time. Take your time. Go
Alright,
ahead.
very good.
Go
So
ahead. Take your time.
Esther, staying on the right course. Now we all know that, you know, at that point in time, what was going on in Europe. And it's just the same way in our lives here, whereby, you know, we are forced in so many different ways, you know, to either stand up for the right thing, or, you know, be moved, you know, and that no one will ever, you know, we wouldn't be able to you know, do what we're supposed to be able to do for the man Christ Jesus. Now, remember, at that point in time, and you will forgive me, please, I've kind of got caught off that, right?
That's all right. Take
So-
your time.
So, yes. So, what would have happened at that point in time is that Esther would have been a queen, right? Now, the king that she was married to at the point in time would have given up his first wife because of, you know, disobedience, or, you know, he wanted to portray her. She was a, you know, she was a good-looking woman, and, you know, he wanted to show off, and, you know, that wasn't her thing, all right? And at the point in time, the king, right, he would have had, you know, a number of, you know, advisors, and they would have advised him to do certain things. Advise him to do things that, you know, that were not good and proper for the persons of, I would say, the Jews. And in this case, I would say the people of God. Yeah. And it's the same thing like this, sometimes the state, okay? In terms of, and I would give the example of, you know, gay marriages, because that is what it comes to me, right?
Go ahead.
So
Take
gay
your time. Take your
marriages,
time.
you know,
Preach the
a number
word.
of
Preach the
different
word.
things that they would want us to say that, you know, it's okay, you know, men can use women's bathrooms, you know, it's okay, you know, if you identify yourself as a woman, you know, go ahead, you know, we even feel any kind of way about that. So it was a similar situation that was going on, right, at the point in time. And so they started to fast and pray, and they started to mourn because they realized that their life was being threatened.
Go ahead.
The same way that persons within the church, and I would say so, our lives are being threatened every single day because of our beliefs. You know, our lives are being threatened because, you know, we want to stand up and say, hey, you know, we don't believe in this. You know, and, you know, persons will turn around and they will say, you know, you're bigot. You understand? This supposed to be opening. Yeah, you know, you're supposed to be open. There was in Christ about, you know, being open. You understand? So it was a situation like that. You know, and in more ways than one, what it is they wanted to do was they wanted for them to live in accordance to how they wanted them to live. You know, they wanted them to worship the way they wanted them to worship. And at the point in time, you know, one of the things that, like us, you know, Christians would have is that we have that faith, we have that trust, we have that foundation, we have that source, which is God, right? And if it is, we stop praying, we stop fasting, we stop doing what it is we're supposed to do, then we will be weak. You understand? And you can't be, you know, you can't fight that fight. You can't walk that daily journey. You can't get from point A to point B. You understand? To get to heaven on purpose, right? If it is, you do not do your daily duty, right? So you have to stay vigilant, right? That's the key thing, right? So, you know, Mordecai at that point in time, seeing it, because a lot of the times, you know, persons will say, well, you know, just let them get married, you know, who cares? You understand? But at the point, the thing about it is that it starts at one place. It was the same thing with, you know, Hitler and the Jews and all that sort of stuff. At first, they would have come for, you know, the intellectuals. Then they would have, you know, everybody else would have said, you know, that's not my problem, you know, I'm not an intellectual, you know, that's their problem. They had to deal with this on their own. Good? And then they came for the doctors, and then they came for the lawyers, and then they came for everybody else. One day, they're going to come for you. And that is what happened then, and that is what's happening now. That is what happened in the day of Esther. But there was a saving grace, right? There was a saving grace because at that point in time, you know, her uncle, you know, saying that, listen, if we do not stand up, if we don't say, hello, this is wrong, then, you know, the chances we are going to perish. You understand? So he would have gone down in fasting and praying, you know, and he would have, you know, gone down on sackcloth and ashes. And his niece, you know, has a very good niece, they'd be like, but he don't know what's going on here, how he could, you know, how he could rent his clothes, how he could go down in sackcloth and ashes. He don't know that this is, you know, basically against, you know, the law and the thing of the day, you know. So she went and she sent that messenger to him. You know, she's like, you know, what is going on? Ask him out of concern. What is going on? So there was some discourse between them. Good? And then she would have said, you know, at the end of it, they would have come to the point whereby she would have, you know, decided that, listen, you know, I am going to, you know, stand the course. I am going to stand in the balance. I am going to, you know, join you guys in prayer and in fast. You understand? And she said, which was important, it's something I was for me, which is pray for me. You understand? I'm going to do something. You understand? And I want you to pray for me.
Yes.
You understand? I want you to, you know, for 3 days, constantly go down in prayer. You know, that you know, that they will open, that the Lord will open those doors to me. Not only that I will act, but I will act in accordance to His word. You understand? That I will be guided by His principles. You understand? Because remember, at the point in time, remember this was his wife. It was his wife, right? And I mean, he had many wives. It was, you know, she was just a trophy, basically. You know? And he didn't call for her in 30 days. Now, at that point in time, when he don't want to see in 30 days, you know, I mean, most likely he was preoccupied by something else.
Of course,
right? Right? Let's be real. He was preoccupied by something else, right?
You are not
You
wanting.
want to see me? Good?
Go ahead.
So,
You're going good.
now she have to go before this man, right? Right? And ask for favor. You understand? Good? And he would have said that whoever come towards him, who would have come before him, you know, without him them calling him, they're gonna kill him. They're gonna kill him. Right?
That was the law.
That was the law. Right? So that was the law at the point in time. So you have something, you wanna ask for a favor, he ain't talking to you. You understand? But you know, you have to take that chance. Because you know what hangs in the balance. The life of your people hangs in the balance. You understand? Your faith hangs in the balance. You understand? Because so at that point in time, she would have sacrificed herself, right, for the greater good. You understand? But she did it the right way. You understand? She did it the right way in terms of she would have asked for guidance.
Yes.
And then when you go further down in terms of how it was done, you understand what I'm saying? She would have done it in a way whereby she would have eventually gotten favor.
Yes.
You understand? She would have gotten favor in terms of what she would have asked for in order to move forward. You know? So, and that's and I would relate it back to our lives as it is right now. So, you know, all these changes taking place. We don't like it. You know, but you know, we're not standing up, we're not saying anything, we will talk about it in our circles, you understand? But at the end of the day, we're not saying anything. You know, we're not doing anything. You understand? And sometimes we need to be, well, not sometimes, but at a point in time like this, when it is a crucial time, because we are in a crucial time. When it is in a crucial time, right, we can't look to who would. You understand? If we are called upon to act, we have to, you know, shape up that dull slope, you know, and we have to decide, you know, put on that full armor of God. Hallelujah. With preparation.
Yes, Lord.
You understand? And be able to just not only to act, but to be guided to act. You understand? We have to be guided to act. Now the thing about it too, and the important thing about this lesson, right? It speaks to the church praying for one common purpose, one cause, right? And I will just touch on the unity aspect, right? So the thing about it is that not one person could to do it.
No.
You understand? We all have to do it collectively.
That's right.
You understand? We all have to do what is required. We all have to take back our communities. We all have to, you know, do all those things collectively. You understand? We have to be of one accord. It can't be, you know, this one trying to outshine this one to really talk to that one. You know, all those things. All those things are semantics. All those things at the end of the day are vanity.
Go ahead.
You understand? They're all vanity. Right? We have to, there was one goal, and that's the important thing, in terms of staying the course. It's one goal. You understand? One goal, right? And one way to achieve that mission. And that's together. That's the only way that we could do it. You know? So, one of the other things that, not straight from your lesson, I'm
Go ahead.
right? But one of the other things that when I was thinking about that stuff, right? And staying the course, you know, staying on the right side. I remembered, you know, Shamrock,
Go
you
ahead.
understand? Remember that they were in captivity. You understand what I'm saying? They were in captivity. They couldn't do whatever they wanted to do. You know? And at that point in time, they did have a charge. They had to stand strong. They had to hold the faith. You understand? They were not in their home country. They were in a foreign country. They were in a palace. They were being guarded day and night. You understand? They wanted to change their very core. You understand? And they stood firm. Right? So, I don't want to worry your patience.
No, take your time.
I know that there are a number. I know that there are a number of other persons. I'm seeing some, you know, mighty men and women of God standing in front of me. You know, and I don't wanna, you know, I don't wanna take up, you know, this space for someone else. So I just wanna say that, you know, this is the prayer of my heart, and you know, it's good to see all of you.
Praise the Lord. In my heart today, right?
Bless the Lord. Bless the Lord.
What kind of healing and all?
Healing and all.